Hello, this is Itai Levitan doing a stock market analysis and forecast at Forex Live. I think we have a little bit more up, about 2.5% to a failed breakout above the 18,000 on NQ. I'm looking at the Nasdaq 100 mini futures, the one that contains most of the action of the Magnificent Seven and the good earners like Meta, Amazon last week. And I have this channel. Some of you might say, okay, it's not even exact because we got this shootout and this shootout. That's true, but if you look at it as this channel on a weekly basis, you'll see that it is set on more closer to the closes and opens of the weeklies, meaning that I have a higher confirmation on the weeklies, and these are shootouts. And actually, even on this time frame, for example, you've got a perfect touch point here and here as well, and this is a shootout. Also here at the top, 1, 2, 3, maybe 4 even, and this is a shootout, and even 5 here over here as well. So I'm happy so far with the confirmations of this channel as a guide. And I believe we've also got, by the way, this green trend line here that for bears that want verification, they actually want to see we're in the daily time frame too. So two daily bars closing behind that, below that trend line. We also have a bit of a wedge here. This is considered a wedge, this thing right here. It's a wedge, and that's a bearish formation. Many times we have a bit of a shaky up and then down. We have to watch out for that. And in the out 4 hourly time frame, I'll just show what I think is gonna more or less is my orientation. Trade at your own risk. This is for my money. So I believe that price will be soon attacking again. Currently, the high is 17,793.50. I believe we will be attacking that. Price will be attacking that, and then attacking the red line, which is the 18,000 round number. And I believe we will also break out of this purple channel that I showed and out of the 18,000 to trap some last bulls, and then have a failed breakout once this is the breakout, this is the failed breakout, both. So going to be a double failed breakout if it happens. I don't know if it will happen, but this is my scenario. Okay, I'm not saying it will happen. I'm saying it's a scenario I'm looking at. So once price goes in this area, it means that it failed the breakout of the purple channel and also the 18,000. And then I believe that it will find its way to 17,250, which is the close of this as well. And then later, we will also be making a bigger leg down and getting towards the mid of this channel. That's at 16,425 or 450. And, if we get there, that's quite a big drop from that high point that I'm thinking it's going to get, the 18,150, maybe 250. So let's just take even 200 here, because it might even get there. And then all the way down here is a nice almost 10% correction. Of course, it won't happen in one go. This is, I'm making a few sequential forecasts here, which I think no one else does, because I don't know why, but I've got to be myself. Other roles are taken. So this is what I'm thinking, and this is what I'm sharing. What it means for long time holders, it means that in the next week or two, okay, 9 trading days, maybe 10 trading days, and of course we have to look at earnings, because we're past the big earnings, but we still have more intelligence and information to collect from the upcoming earnings. But during the 18,000 plus, even a bit below, I would be diluting D if I'm holding. Okay. If you're a bear, then I would be waiting for that failed breakout after it surpasses the 18,000 to see that it's closed. For the early bears, it's maybe one candle, but if you're a proper bear, it would be two consecutive daily candles below that 18,000 after it created a scenario. As I mentioned, that would be uh, that would be a better signal for the bears. Always trade at your own risk. Okay, at your own risk. This is an opinion only. Do come back to uh, Forex Live for additional perspectives and ideas and opinions. Always original, always unique, and trade at your own risk. Again, thank you. Have a good